So in today's video, I'll show you how to create a QR code generator using Python, whether it's for sharing links, creating event tickets, or even personal branding. This tool has got you covered. First, we need to install a library called QRCode in Python. So go ahead and open your terminal, whether in VS Code or an external terminal, and type pip install QRCode. And this library comes with support of the pill library, another library for managing images in Python. So type pill like this in square brackets, then press enter. As you see, requirements already satisfied, so I have these libraries. Let's go ahead then and import our library. Import QRCode like this. Next, we define the data for the QRCode. This could be a URL like this, text, or even contact information. We then create a QRCode object specifying parameters like version, error correction level, box size, and border width. After doing the data part, we generate a QRCode image and save it as a PNG file. So this generates the image file of the QRCode, and then we save it in an image called QRCode.png that will be saved in this directory. So now let's see this in action. Let's go ahead and save this. Nice, so it says QRCode generated. Now if you go to your directory, you must see an image called QRCode. Open it, and here you are. This is your QRCode. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share for more coding tips like this. See you in the next video.